Today I'm going to be making, or demoing for that matter, this recipe called the egg in the basket. The ingredients that we have today are our bread, our salt and pepper, our eggs, and butter. What we do first is that we take our bread, and first we take the cutter and we cut one big hole into the center of the bread here, because that's where the egg is going, the sunny side up egg. We're also going to do next is butter our pan, because you always want to make sure that our pan is buttered so that it can cook properly. Now that our pan is sizzling, now we take our bread and we put it onto the frying pan so that it can get toasted. Take our egg and we crack it in the center like so. Now we flip it over. There we go.
Hello.
Hello. How's it going?
Good.
Good?
Looks good to me. All right.
Nice.
Voila.